Hello, today you join us in Grindleford, just 5 miles away from Chatsworth, near Hathersage as well. We're just taking a nice easy walk today. It's been a while since we've been out for a mixture of reasons, the weather being one of the main ones. Today it's quite pleasant, it's a little bit cool, but it's not raining at the moment, and at least it's not absolutely baking hot. There's a few little interesting things to see on the way today, so let's go. We're following the River Derwent, and you can see just how low the water is. So we're leaving the Derwent behind us now and carrying on with the main route. Oh no, We're going up this embankment now, which will take us up over the railway track. We did see a couple of trains just now, but unfortunately I didn't manage to capture them.
Now turn right, then in 25 yards keep left onto path.
Right, we're off to see the ruins of Padley Manor. Come on. It's not particularly warm today, it's just right, it's just nice. But it is really humid. Presumably that's because of all the rain we've been having and the cloud cover blocking in what little heat we do have. Maybe it's just because we haven't been out for a while, but it's a really long, drawn-out slog going up this hill. What we're looking for now is the stone face carved into a rock. It's been a bit of a battle, but I think we finally found it. Well, as you can see from the map, took a little bit of wandering around, did eventually find it, and it was definitely worth it. We're going to stop for some lunch now and a drink. And we're back at the bottom and following the River Derwent again. This will take us all the way back to Grindleford. And that's pretty much the end of the route. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed our little route and the exciting things that we found. I think my favourite thing was the face on the rock. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it and you've not already, please like and subscribe. And if you have, thanks very much. And we'll see you again next week. Ta-ra!